Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most gracious, the most merciful. In this video, I will deliver my lecture on the chapter number 2 of 7th class, Geography inside our Earth. The Earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. It is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Interior of the Earth. Just like an onion, the Earth is made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. There are three main layers of the Earth, namely crust, mantle, and core. How to remember three layers of the Earth? Remember CMC. C stands for crust, M stands for mantle, and C stands for core. Crust. The uppermost layer over the Earth's surface is called the crust. It is the thinnest of all the layers. There are two types of crust. One is continental crust and another one is oceanic crust. Crust is about 35 kilometers on the continental masses and only 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called SIMA. SI stands for silica and Ma stands for magnesium. The main mineral constituents of the continental mass are silica and alumina. It is thus called Sial. Si stands for silica and Al stands for alumina. The second layer of the earth is mantle. Just beneath the crust is the mantle, which extends up to a depth of 2,900 kilometers below the crust. The third layer of the earth is core. The innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3,500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron and is called NiF. Ni stands for nickel and Fe stands for ferrous, that is iron. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. Do you know, dear students, the crust, which is the upper layer of the earth, forms only 1% of the volume of the earth. 84% consists of the mantle and 15% makes the core. The radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. Interesting facts. The deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometers deep. In search for oil, engineers have dug a hole about 6 kilometers deep. To reach to the center of the earth, which is not possible, you will have to dig a hole 6,000 kilometers deep on the ocean floor.